Today, we're going to dive into the hot and steamy world of thermal springs. That's right, we're going to talk about hot water and why it's so darn mysterious. I know what you're thinking, hot water? What's so mysterious about that? Well, buckle up because we're about to go on a wild ride through the strange and wacky world of thermal springs. First off, let's talk about the origin of thermal springs. These bad boys are created when groundwater gets heated up by hot rocks deep within the Earth's crust. As the water gets hotter and hotter, it rises to the surface and creates these amazing natural hot tubs. But here's where things get weird. Scientists still aren't exactly sure how hot rocks heat up the water in the first place. I mean, seriously, how is it possible that rocks can make water hot? It's like some sort of weird magic trick. But that's not the only mystery surrounding thermal springs. Did you know that some of these hot springs can actually cure diseases? Yeah, you heard me right. For centuries, people have been flocking to thermal springs to soak in the healing waters. And while we don't exactly know why the water has healing properties, we do know that it's packed with all sorts of minerals and nutrients that are good for the body. But wait, there's more. Some thermal springs have been known to change color. That's right, we're talking about rainbow-colored hot springs. And no, I'm not talking about some sort of special effects. These springs are actually filled with vibrant colors like orange, green, and blue. But here's the crazy part. The color of the water changes depending on the temperature and the mineral content. That's right, it's like a mood ring, but for water. And if you thought rainbow-colored hot springs were weird, just wait until you hear about the ones that are filled with bubbles. These springs, also known as champagne springs, are filled with carbon dioxide gas that creates these amazing bubbly pools. And while it might seem like a fun place to take a bath, these springs are actually incredibly dangerous. In fact, some of them can get so hot that they can literally boil you alive. But perhaps the biggest mystery surrounding thermal springs is the fact that they can be found all over the world. Seriously, these things are everywhere. From Yellowstone National Park in the United States to Iceland to New Zealand, thermal springs are found on every continent. It's like the Earth is trying to tell us something, like, hey, humans, look at all this hot water I have. Isn't it cool? So, there you have the weird and wacky world of thermal springs. Who knew that hot water could be so mysterious? But hey, that's what makes the world such a fascinating place. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about thermal springs? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Curiosity Caboodle for more fascinating and entertaining content. Until next time, keep exploring the curiosities of our world. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.